Today, we're going to unbox and take a look at the iSteady Pro coming up. Welcome to Flipphead TV, where we bring to you tutorials and reviews on consumer products. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing for more videos like this. Now today, we're going to unbox and take a look at the iSteady Pro. So further ado, let's dive down and open this up. We found this on Amazon for $89. So there's the front of the box, back of the box, and there we go. There's a nice little hard case. Manual. And the gimbal itself. You get a USB, and you get a little miniature tripod attachment. So that's pretty much all you get in the box. Miniature tripod adapter, the gimbal itself, USB, and a case. So let's go back up top. Welcome back up top. So, there you go, the iSteady Pro Gimbal. This is just an unboxing and first impression. I will tell you this, it feels very well built. It's plastic, but it's not cheap plastic. It's hard to explain. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to take it down to the beach with me, see how it works, and I'll be able to give you a second review on how it operates. But for the unboxing and the first impressions, for $89 doesn't feel that bad. But I'll let you all know more in a later video. So there you go, the unboxing of the iSteady Pro. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. For now, peace out.